favorite chair or just sit cross-legged on a cushion.
So this is a new jacket I got from Halara. I like it because it's a bit thicker and it has pockets. It's a bit thicker, so this is really nice for the winter. The pockets, sorry about the lighting. We are headed to the gym. There's pedestrians. Good morning, you guys. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another fitness vlog. My name is Cece if you're new here. This is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys, and I also really like to emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. These days I've been trying to work out in the morning, you guys. I genuinely feel a difference in my mood when I work out in the morning. Like, it's something that I've known about, right? And then I switched my schedule when I started working and I was like, something ain't right here. The few days that I would work out in the morning, when I could squeeze it in, I would notice a difference in my mood. I would feel so much better throughout the day, like genuinely, like my mood would just be so much better. So I was like, let me try and squeeze it in whenever I can. So every morning that I have the opportunity to work out before work, I make it a priority. So doing upper body today. I am still doing the Evolve You app, you guys, but I've switched programs to work with Melissa. And it's been the switch up I've needed, and I really loved it, honestly. Like, it's challenging. There are new exercises I'm trying, and even though I'm not necessarily lifting the heaviest, these new moves, the way that she, I don't know, just the moves that she does in her workouts are just different than anything I've ever done before. So that part is really fun for me, and it's been challenging. I've been really sore, so that's great. Was so busy this morning, which is great. I love seeing people in the gym. I've been trying to do a little bit of cardio post-workout, just some low steady state, mostly just walking. I have a goal right now for the month of December to try and get 8,000 steps nearly every single day. Now I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys this smoothie I have been loving. A nice, yummy green smoothie. Okay, so for this smoothie, you're gonna need an emergency. This is one of the stars of the show, Uncle Matt's Ultimate Defense Orange Juice. If you don't have this, regular orange juice is just fine. Ginger smoothie mix. I love the flavor of this. I forgot a key ingredient, but you want to do the juice of half to a whole lemon. I love lemon. And I got this from Janet Dominina. I love her.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you.
So this is breakfast today. I've got some microwavable mini pancakes, which I have been loving, sausage and eggs. So I'm headed to work now. I'm actually going to go ahead and order a juice. I have a free juice reward. My favorite one from Robix is what is it called? It's the ABC, which has apple, beetroot, and carrot. I love beet juices because they give you a boost of energy. Beets naturally do that, so. Okay, so for lunch, Okay, so I'm off from work now, and as you guys saw, I did get some beef and broccoli, and I add extra veggies. That is my typical order from Payway. That's one of the vendors that we work with. So not every Thursday, but typically on Thursdays, I will have some Payway for lunch, and that is my go-to order. Okay, so I enjoyed my 30-minute nap, and then I just spent about 30 minutes playing a game on my phone. I think I'm actually gonna go for a walk. It was a beautiful day yesterday, but I didn't get to go out for a walk because I was at the library editing until too late, and it gets dark. It wasn't even that late, but it gets dark really early, so I didn't have time. I figured a 20-minute walk is just the defrag that I need for my system. Vlogmas has been going good so far. I was really good about planning and prepping and editing all my videos, but I'm feeling just a little bit burnt out because I did put so much together already, but I still have a good amount of content. I just need to get edited and ready to go. Was so revitalizing. There's just something about fresh air that just cannot be replicated. You guys, if you're looking for a dairy-free heavy whipping cream that actually whips up, I 10 out of 10 recommend this one. We've used the Silk brand before, but this one actually is better. The texture is closer to heavy cream. There's no curls or anything like that. It's super smooth and it's amazing. 7 p.m. right now. I just finished up the rest of my Payway for dinner, but I feel like I need to have one more serving of fruit/vegetables for the day. If you guys don't know, I've been trying to have 4 servings of fruit and vegetables every single day. So I think I'm gonna fix a little bit of fruit. Whipped cream, just a little bit goes a long way, and it just adds a little bit of flavor, you know? So I'm gonna have this, and I think I'm gonna pick up filming tomorrow. So
Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
How cute is this workout top? Wasn't sure that I was gonna like it, but I actually really like it. I think it is so cute. Built-in bra as well, and this strap actually connects here on the back.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack.
So I'm gonna make the same exact smoothie I made yesterday, except I don't have a vitamin C emergency packet.
I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my wrist stripes, all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up.
2 packets of oatmeal, 1 heaped teaspoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of butter, and then I do water, let it thicken up, and then I add a little bit of milk because I love the flavor, and then I just did some blueberries and strawberries. So I just got up of work. I'm feeling like a coffee, and then I'm gonna go home, and I think I'm gonna make like a yummy sandwich and salad for lunch. So we're gonna head to Subbies and get a little coffee. It's the weekend officially. I feel like I need a weekend.
We'll be right with you.
Okay, no problem.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I please do a grande caramel macchiato? But can I have caramel instead of the vanilla? And that's it. Thank you so much.
All right, we'll see you at the window.
Thanks. So the last time I got a caramel macchiato, I just didn't like the vanilla. And I just have a hard time understanding why it's called a caramel macchiato if it's got 3 pumps of vanilla and just caramel drizzle. Can someone explain it to me? Like genuinely, like why?
Okay, so I actually looked this up because I was genuinely curious. And so macchiato means marked. The beverage is marked by the caramel drizzle, right? That's why it's called a caramel macchiato, because it's marked by the caramel. Drink isn't named based on the syrup that's actually in it, which is vanilla.
Thank you. Have a great day. Superb, my friend, if I do say so much. Okay, so I finally made it in the house and I changed it to this super cozy fit from Halara as well. You guys, I love this shirt. It's long sleeve. It does have built-in cups. I personally think I would probably take them out and wear a bra underneath, whether I'm wearing it like as a lounge set or to the gym. But I feel like this is, for me, this will be more of a lounge set versus a gym shirt. It feels really like soft and like, it's just like honestly the softest material this top is. It's a v-neck, it's super cute, and it's also cropped. And then I actually paired it with the leggings. So these are their brown leggings. I can't remember the name, I'll pop it up on the screen. These are also super soft, super cozy. By the feel of leggings, like I can immediately tell whether they're gonna be like a loungy pair of leggings or like a workout pair of leggings. And these are just like that softer material. They're not like that compressive material. I wish I could explain it, where it's like they feel like they'd be good to work out in. Not so you can't work out in these, but I like these softer, less compressive leggings for like relaxing around the house and like running errands. So I love this color. This fit is so cute. And yeah, so now we're actually gonna make lunch. First, let's make the salad. Trust me when I say this, putting on a little bit of dressing, maybe not the full serving, and massaging it into your lettuce is a game changer. So I'm gonna do that before I cut up the toppings. Just kind of like massage it in. Heirloom tomatoes. Spicy brown mustard. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I so appreciate. And of course, subscribe for more content. It was great to see you guys today. I appreciate your support and I appreciate you being here. And I'll catch you next time.